All right, so if you're looking at engineering colleges around the Kanchipuram area for the 2026 admissions, you're in the right place. We're breaking down Thirumalai Engineering College, and its TNEA code is 1517. Let's get straight to the facts.
So, what's the story behind this college? Well, let's start with its mission. Right from the very beginning, their goal has been pretty clear. This quote really says it all. They wanted to make quality technical education something that students, especially from rural areas, could actually get.
Okay, so to get a good feel for the college, we need to look at its identity and its founding story. You know, the official details and its history. The whole thing started back in 1991, when the Kanchipuram Educational Trust was formed. A few years later, in 1999, the trust went ahead and established the Engineering College. And if we fast forward to just recently, you can see they're keeping up with the times, introducing new age branches starting in 2023.
Now for the core facts. It's a self-financing, co-educational institution. For parents and students, listen up because these next 2 points are really important. It's affiliated to Anna University Chennai, and it has active AICTE approval for the 2025-26 academic year. Both of these are crucial checks you want to see.
Right, so what can you actually study here? Let's dive into the engineering programs they're offering and see how many seats are available for the upcoming admissions.
For the 2026 TNEA admissions, the total number of undergraduate engineering seats available at the college is 360. That's across all their different branches.
So here's how those 360 seats are split up. You've got 8 branches in total. Computer science and engineering is the biggest with 120 seats. After that, you have mechanical with 60 seats. Then all the other 6 branches, including core ones like civil and ECE plus IT, they each have an intake of 30 students.
Now, if you're looking for something in the newer, emerging fields, they've got that covered too. They recently introduced 2 new age programs, artificial intelligence and data science, which started in 2023, and agricultural engineering, which was just launched in 2024. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of things. What's it like to actually be a student there? Let's look at the campus, hostels, and transportation.
The campus itself is spread across 30 acres, and here's a big plus, its location. It's situated right on the Chennai-Bangalore National Highway, which makes getting there pretty straightforward.
And what about facilities? Well, they have separate hostels for boys and for girls. The mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so you have options there. If you're commuting, the college has its own transport service. And for those taking the train, the nearest railway station is Kanchipuram, which is about 6 kilometers away. Now for the topic that's on everyone's mind, placements. What happens after the 4 years of engineering? Let's look at the career outcomes and the college's connections with the industry. Okay, this is straight from the official data that the college submitted for the TNEA 2025 counseling. They've self-reported a placement percentage of 30%. To get a sense of their industry engagement, we can look at their MOUs, or Memorandums of Understanding. The data we have shows they've got collaborations with the Cisco Networking Academy and also with Research Publishing Services in Singapore.
Finally, let's walk through how you actually get in. We'll cover the admission process and also take a look at the financial support options available for students who qualify.
It's really important to understand how admissions work here. The seats are basically split into 2 routes. 65% of the seats fall under the government quota, meaning you have to go through the TNEA counseling process. The remaining 35% of seats are filled through the management quota.
When it comes to financial aid, there are a number of government scholarships that eligible students can apply for. Here's a list of the main schemes. You've got scholarships for SC/ST and BC/MBC communities, the First Graduate Scholarship, and several others that you can find through the National Scholarship Portal.
Just a quick but important note. All the information we've shared here is based on the official data provided by the college itself and from trusted government portals, all correct at the time we put this together.
To continue your research and compare more colleges, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions, from 12 standard to your engineering admission.